In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your contacts from Telegram Desktop. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can easily manage and back up your important information. This feature is available exclusively on the desktop version of Telegram, so make sure you're at your computer and ready to follow along. First, let's begin by opening Telegram Desktop on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, be sure to download the application and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top left corner of the interface. You'll notice 3 horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu button. Go ahead and click on those lines to open up the menu. With the menu now visible, you'll find several options like New Group, Contacts, Calls, and Settings. For our purposes today, you'll need to select the Settings option, which is conveniently represented by a gear icon. This choice will allow you to access a wide array of customization settings and features intended to enhance your Telegram experience. Now that you're within the Settings menu, look for the Advanced option. This section holds many of the app's more technical capabilities. Once you've located and clicked on Advanced, it's time to navigate to the Export Telegram Data feature. This is a powerful tool designed to give you control over your personal information and ensure you have backups of what's important to you. Upon opening the Export Telegram Data section, you'll see a list of different types of data that are available for export. It's here that you can select which specific data points you'd like to save, starting with your contacts. You can opt to export just your contacts or include additional data, depending on your needs and preferences. Take a moment to carefully review your options, ensuring that only the data you want to export is selected. If you're planning to move your data to another app or just want a backup, this step is critical for maintaining your privacy and security. Once you've made your selections and you're satisfied with your choices, look for the Export button. Clicking this initiates the export process. Telegram will now begin gathering the data you've chosen, so it can be downloaded and saved to your device. Depending on the amount of data being processed, this may take a few moments. Congratulations! You've now successfully exported your contacts from Telegram Desktop. This process not only helps you keep a backup of your important information, but also equips you with greater control over your personal data. Remember, practices like these help maintain your digital organization and security. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to look around in Telegram's help sections or online resources tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.